A real estate agent has $6,521 to spend on newspaper ads. If each ad costs $32, how many ads will the real estate agent be able to buy? Well, in order to figure this out, we're going to divide 6,521 by 32. So let's write that out just to show it and demonstrate it. But that's not how we're going to do it. We're going to set up the old long division process. So we're going to put the larger number in here. We're going to put the smaller number out here. Now, I don't know what this answer is. We may have a remainder. And if we do, then we'll deal with that. But let's try to do the math first. Now, whenever we're dividing a larger number, in this case a 4-digit number divided by a 2-digit number, we need to see how many times this 2-digit number goes into the first 2 digits here. How many times does 32 go into 65? Well, twice. And the numbers are friendly enough where I could do 32 times 2 and write out 64 directly underneath. Now, we're going to subtract 65 minus 64 and see what we get. That'll be a 1. So you drop down the next number and repeat the process. How many times does 32 go into 12? Well, it doesn't. So we're going to put a 0 there, and then we're going to drop down the next number, which is 1. How many times does 32 go into 121? Well, I'm going to guess 3 times. And again, the numbers are friendly enough. 3 times 32 is 96, and we're going to subtract. Now, 1 minus 6 can't do it, so we're going to borrow from here, make you 1, make you 11. 11 minus 6 is 5, and then we have left over here an 11 minus 9, which is 2. So since there's no more numbers to drop down, I have a remainder of 25. So, in other words, if I split $6,521 over 32 areas, I'm going to have 203 with a remainder of 25. So what this means is this person can buy 203 ads. Now, if you're like, oh, well, what does the remainder mean? Well, the remainder means after she buys or he buys 203 ads, they're going to have $25 left over, which is not enough to buy another ad. So the most they can buy is 203 ads, and when they do, they'll just have a little bit of change.